everyone, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. In today's video, I'm going to help you learn how to mark a task complete in ClickUp. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. In order to mark a task completed in ClickUp, tap open ClickUp application and then sign into your account if necessary. Go to your to-do list displayed on the screen from your home screen. Tap on any task that you would like to mark as complete. Once you find the task, simply swipe the task towards the right side until you see a complete sign. Release your finger and go to the Done category from the display. Once you do that, you'll be able to see the task now has been marked as complete in ClickUp. You'll be able to find it in the Done category. That is how it is done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.